The Pixel 9 might still be fresh on the market, but we may have just caught our first glimpse of the Pixel 10, all thanks to a leaked case that's making the rounds. The leak comes courtesy of Sonny Dixon, a notorious Apple leaker. Yep, the guy's usually all about iPhones. Now he's sharing what's supposedly a case designed for the Pixel 10, and while we can't verify if it's the real deal just yet, Sonny's got a decent track record in the Apple world. We'll just have to see if his Google leaks are as spot on. Now let's talk about the case itself. At first glance, it doesn't seem like a huge departure from the Pixel 9's design. The top part of the case has a big horizontal cutout for the camera visor, which has been a staple of the Pixel series, and it looks like Google's sticking with that for the Pixel 10. This gives us a bit of a clue that the overall camera setup might not change too dramatically. Of course, that doesn't tell us much about any new features or upgrades just yet. The leak also hints that the Pixel 10 will keep its rounded corners, which seems pretty standard these days. Other than that, there's not much else to go on, so we can't say for sure whether this case is the real deal or just a creative guess from a third-party manufacturer. It's not every day that we get a finished case image before the usual CAD-based renders from leakers like OnLeaks, so maybe this is just the beginning of a flood of Pixel 10 leaks. It's safe to say that Google still has some work to do if they want to be a serious contender against Apple and Samsung, but the Pixel 9 has definitely been a step in the right direction. If they keep the momentum going, who knows what we could see with the Pixel 10 next year. So, what do you think? What are you hoping to see from the Pixel 10 lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.